So to make your paper version of the jacket, you'll need a piece of paper, a pen, a pair of scissors, and some tape. What I did is I looked at what the end result of the baby surprise jacket should look like, and then I tried to recreate that. So I took my piece of paper and I folded it in half so that we have both a front and a back side. Then we're going to use this top edge as the top of the jacket, and then I tried to draw the general shape on it using a marker, and it's kind of a bit like a T. So I just kind of drew that out. That's okay. Now I'm going to cut along this outside edge. Awesome. And then I drew what I saw the lines of stitches doing in the jacket. So we can see here that they're going this way on the front, straight up and down, so we can add that. And then they kind of start doing this L pattern on the front on either side. And then you can see at the bottom we have the straight, and then we kind of have these big L's again. So we've got a little bit of this, and then we've kind of got that last L. Now we've done the front, so we can do the back. So we can see along the back here, along the bum of the jacket, lines going this way. So I can grab this, and I'm just going to put lines going this way. So we can see we've got this kind of L shape going on. So let's draw that. One more. Okay, so now I've got the back and the front. Now we can take our scissors and we're gonna want to cut along the center to add the flap, and then we're gonna want to cut along the top because that part is actually seamed at the end. Now we've got our pieces, and we're going to grab tape and we're going to tape up the edges. So we want to tape up this. Now we've got our finished paper jacket, and this actually represents the blob of fabric that you're going to create. So you can kind of pinch it up, play with it. You can see here, this is how they connect. So you can see here, these are the lines. This is the cast on edge. And then here we go, and here we are making our decreases. And you can see here, we're making our increases. Here's our center 90, that section that I mentioned that adds length to the jacket. And then here we go, picking up. Gives you an idea of how everything fits together and maybe a little bit of confidence about how the jacket works. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you found this helpful. And best of luck with your baby surprise jackets.